Venerable and beloved Chief Guest, Deputy Chief Minister of Tirupura, Chairman CRTD, Dean Academic, Coordinator, Heads of the Departments, other faculty members, and very importantly, the students and the certificate recipients. It's an honor to be over here on the second award giving ceremony. In fact, in 2017, when I came over here, then Dr. Devdulal just approached to me about this course. Then I had asked me, okay, show me this, show me this, show me this, as per my habit. Then he said that we do not have anything as such. Then I said, it's a very, very good step, and let us strengthen it. Let us make it a feature forever in NIT Agartala. And that's what, as our CRTD chairman rightly pointed out, that we have taken to the Senate in January. So not only to the Senate, but to the Finance Committee and Board, we made it sure that it runs ever at NIT Agartala. Reason is, it's not only our responsibility to produce the technocrats. Along with that, we have to preserve our culture, we have to preserve our languages. As all of you must have heard, one of the South African University Gate, but Professor wrote, today you don't require to have the atom bomb or nuclear bomb to destroy any country. You destroy the education and then you can eliminate the country. On the same time, let us remember to our great Chanakya, who said, if you want to destroy any nation, then you destroy the culture and the language. And as a responsible person over here, I will never see that any language or any culture of the country is destroyed. It is our efforts to preserve that and rather to strengthen that. And this was one of our steps in that direction. And that's what last time basically this award giving ceremony started, and this is the second. And I'm honored that our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, who is one of the most loved politician ever I have seen. Because if I talk to someone else, then there is one sentence only, that he is the most loved politician, at least in the contemporary age. So we are honored. He has got a little time, therefore I will not take much time. Only I just want to bring his kind notice, because the first time he is coming over, second time of course coming over here, that NIT Agartala is